please, Biko, please don't try this on your natural hair. It will burn that thing out. Okay, don't say I told you so. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Oa and welcome. If you've been here before, you know the drill. Today I'm going to be straightening this wig that I made with a sewing machine. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I made this wig, check the link in my description or in my bio or in my whatever, you know what I mean. Check the link, it will lead you straight to how I made this unit. Okay, now without further delay, let's dive right into the video. Okay, now first thing we're going to do is to blend the closure with the bundles at the back. And before we go into that, I'm just going to show you the list of things I'm going to be using. First, I'm going to need my hot comb. You can use any hot comb you have. This is the one I am using and I'm going to use that. I'll show you. Also, you're going to be needing some hair mousse. The one I'm using is ORS head mousse. However, I have diluted this so that it's not too strong. You also need some silhouette spray, some holding spray, and some heat protector. This is the Tresemme one I'm using just to protect the hair from heat damage. You're going to need some hair oil as well, and you're going to need some clips, yes. And also you're going to need this brush. This is like a saver when you need to straighten your hair. It's really good. So first thing, you're just going to have to cut some hair away from the closure and blend it into the bundles. You put your hair mousse, the mousse we have, I'm using ORS mousse, and then spray some of those holding spray, and then start to use your hot comb. Use the back of the comb because that's the hottest part. Just use that, press it in, and it will blend. I'm telling you, it will blend the whole way. Just do a section at a time. You don't want to rush through all this, so just do one section at a time and continue to do this. You will see the difference, the massive difference. By the time you're done, you will see that the closure and the bundles just blend, and you will not even see that line, that gap or that space between the bundles at the back and the closure. It looks like the hair is like a full lace wig. I'm telling you, try this with your wigs and you thank me later. Look at that. Look at that. You can't even see where the bundle stops and where the closure start by the time you're finished. Now to straighten the hair, we're going to part this hair in sections. I'm going to be going line by line. The first thing you do, take your hair oil and just rub that in your palm and rub it into the hair. And then before you put any heat on the hair, you have to spray with the heat protector. So you spray with the heat protector, make sure you spray it a little bit more than what I did there. Anyway, I don't know what I was doing. And then take your brush, your straightening brush, that one that I'm using, as you can see. So you're just going to hold that down with your straightener. Obviously this hair is very long, so you couldn't see it, but I'm going to try and show you in the next one. So yes, you take the brush, and you can use your comb as well. Take the brush, then take your straightener and just slowly move that thing. You don't want to rush through it, you just want to do it slowly, and keep doing that all throughout. Repeat the same process. Do it a section at a time. Do it slowly. You don't need to use the brush as well. If you don't have the brush, you can use your comb. And when I'm done, I like to spray the silhouette spray on the hair after tonguing it, just to give you that body, that movement. You know, you see me do here. Look, I'm just gonna spray that a little bit, not too much. You don't want to oversaturate the hair with the holding spray. Remember, it's a holding spray. Yeah, look at the hair. Look at that. It looks really nice already, and I'm just going to do some Instagram pictures. I'm just taking some pictures for my, I think it's for my Snapchat. Yes, it was for my Snapchat. So guys, if you're not following me on Snapchat, try and follow me on Snapchat, because I tend to snap a lot during the throughout the day. So if you want to get to know me better, follow me on Snapchat. Yeah, I'm going to continue doing the same thing, just repeating the same process. If you notice what I'm doing, I'm not letting those hair fall down, the one that I have not tongued. There's a reason behind that, because you don't want the hair you haven't tongued to drop into the ones you have tongued. So to get that flowy hair, you just need to make sure that the ones you haven't actually tongued yet does not touch the other ones that you have tongued. And that's why you need as many clips as hair clips as you can have. That will just help you to get that hair out of the way, and you are able to concentrate on the section you are doing at a time. I don't know if I did mention the hair straightener I was using is by Toni & Guy. It's a flat one. I think I got it from Amazon, so if you guys are interested in that, check it out on Amazon. It's very good, and it gives you that it kind of helps in terms of, it makes it quicker when you're tonguing because it's wider. It's not as small as the other hair straighteners that you have, so it's very, very good. Okay, here I just want to stress, please Biko, please don't try this on your natural hair. It will burn that thing out. Okay, don't say I told you so. I didn't ask. I'm not saying you should use this on your natural hair. The heat I'm using is currently on 230. It's only because this is extension, that's why I'm using this heat. Do not try using 230 degree on your natural hair. You will be bored. Okay, let's just get that out of the way. Now you can see it's fully turned. Yes, look at that movement, look at that body. This is basically what you're going to have, and if you use this hair every day, this will last you for like a week or so, or even more, depending on how you use it. It's really nice. Try this and let me know what you think. Now we're going to move on to the front, to the closure. Before I tongue the closure, what I would do is to blend that closure, make it flat. And I am just using my mousse. Again, I'm using my mousse this time. I'm not using the heat the holding spray, because I don't want this to be too I don't want too much product on the hair, so I'm only using the mousse. And I said in the beginning that this mousse has already been diluted, so I diluted it with water so that it's not too heavy. So I'm just going to use that to flatten that front, that closure, so you will see how flat it will look once you've done this. If you are having issues with your closure always looking bumpy and looking not flat, basically try this process and let me know how you get on in the comment section. Look at that, look how flat that looks just by doing that. Look at the difference between the other side and this side. The side has already been done and the other one has not been done. Girl, these are some tips I am just sharing here, so make use of these tips, try them out for yourself. Okay. I'm impressed. Yeah, just continue doing that. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. You can see I'm using that hot comb to comb the front as well. Look at that. I want to pluck a little bit more on this closure. I know it looks plucked already. I've plucked it already before, but I feel like the other side is not well plucked, so I'm just going to part a little bit from the baby hair away and just pluck a little bit, not too much. So that's basically what I'm doing now. I'm just going inside again just to tidy it up a little bit. So guys, if you have any video requests that you'd like me to do, let me know in the comment section. I'm just going to continue doing this and just make sure that I take out as much that I want. I don't want to take out too much. You don't want to do it too much, okay? You'll see what I mean by the time I'm done. Look at that, look at the difference. Yes, I'm happy with it now. It depends on your individual preference. If you like your hair well plucked or you don't want it to be too plucked. I like it to be at least moderately plucked before I go and cut my tongue. So you guys, you can see this is a finished look. I have tongued it, I have styled it, I plucked it. It looks amazing. So now I'm just showing you how it looks. The whole hair, it's very long. Normally I don't like long hair, but this is very long, so which is fine anyway. I'm just gonna now show you how I cut the lace on myself. Okay, So I just wanted to quickly say, if you've got any hair bundles and you'd like me to make it into a wig for you, you can send that into my address. I'll leave a link for that service. We provide that service as well, so I'll leave the link in the description. So this is the inside of the wig, so you can see it's very neat. We make all our wigs very neat and secured as well with elastic bands. So now this is me just putting it on. It's so easy, and they are all glueless. All our wigs come glueless, both frontal and closures. You don't need glue at all. Okay, so I've taken the cap off, and I think it's better without the wig cap. I feel like I prefer it this way, so I can cut now. So now we're going to cut off the lace. However, if you remember, my middle part was already there, so I had the middle part in my head already. When I can roll my hair, I had a middle part. So I'm just going to cut off the lace, and you can see this hair need absolutely no glue. It's all glueless. Okay, to do this step, I need to be kind of looking at my mirror. I don't think this was a good setup, what I've done here. So I'm hoping you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to try as much as I can to show every step. So first thing first, I'm a bit shaky. I'm going to cut in the middle. So I'm going to take a very sharp scissors and cut in the middle. Also, this part, I like to cut it off as well. So I'm just going to take my scissors. I'm going to use my eyebrow razor. Hopefully this is still sharp. If you notice what I'm doing here, I'm not cutting in a straight line. I'm doing like a zigzag kind of motion to cut, because we don't want that to be, we want it to look more realistic, like it's growing out of your scalp. Okay, so apologies, I'm looking at the mirror because I need the mirror to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, the setup was all messed up, but it's fine. I think you get the gist of what I'm doing. So this is it all cut, and it's looking fabulous. Baby, we are ready for this lockdown to be over so we can slay. Okay, look at that hair. It looks so nice. It looks so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have been here before and you still have not hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit on your way out. And also, if this video has been so helpful for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, it does help my YouTube channel, and you can share with your friends, family members, everybody as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. I just thought I'd show you guys. I'm so loving this hair. The quality is amazing. Thank you guys, and bye.